Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. Do you want to create a business PayPal account? In today's video, I'm going to walk through how you can set up a US PayPal account from anywhere in the world, whether you're based in the US or outside the US. Let's dive right in. Before continuing the video, let's introduce you to Bizee. Bizee is a professional formation service company to file your LLC. It's an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. The full review of Bizee is also given in the description box down below. To create a business PayPal account, you'll need to provide the following information: an LLC or a C corporation, a company phone number, a company address, an EIN, employer identification number, a social security number or an individual taxpayer identification number, ITIN. You might be wondering what documentation you need to open a PayPal account. PayPal accepts a wide range of documentation in order to set up an account. There are some of the documents that PayPal officially accepts. Number 1. Acceptable proof of a social security number or ITIN, individual taxpayer identification number. A social security number card. A letter from the IRS assigning your SSN or ITIN. A 1099 form dated within the last 12 months. An employer-issued W-2, also dated within the last 12 months. A pay stub with a complete SSN dated within the last 12 months. Third-party prepared tax documents dated within the last 12 months and signed by a third-party preparer. Number 2. Acceptable proof of identity documents. A driver's license. A passport or passport card. A state or government-issued ID. Number 3. Acceptable proof of address documents. A utility bill dated within the last 12 months. A cell or landline phone bill dated within the last 12 months. Motor vehicle registration dated within the last 12 months. A 401k or brokerage statement dated within the last 12 months. A copy of your grant deed on a home or lease agreement for a home. A bank or credit card statement dated within the last 12 months. An identity card or driver's license with a physical address listed, which must be current. Now you might be wondering, are you sure these are the current requirements? We've double-checked, and I'm also going to share some insights from our conversation with PayPal directly to confirm these requirements. Here's a transcript of our specific questions. Do you need a US SSN to open a PayPal account? If you don't have a US SSN, can you use an ITIN number? What are the exact documents required to open a PayPal business account? Are any other documents, other than an EIN, certificate of formation, or articles of incorporation, required? Is a U.S. address required? Is a U.S. phone number required? Do you have to live in the U.S. to use a PayPal account, or can you operate the account from another country? This is what PayPal said. Welcome to PayPal, my name is Annie. I will be assisting you today to answer your questions. In creating an account with PayPal, we would need you to add your SSN as part of the USA Patriot Act. We are required to gather specific information to confirm your identity before completing your application for PayPal-specific products, such as adding funds, PP here, PPDC Pro or VT. But if your main goal is to receive and withdraw money, you can still do so without verifying your account. Since you have a business account, yes, you can just use your ITIN number instead of the SSN. There are no documents required to open a PayPal business account. At the same time, to confirm and verify your business account, you will need to submit proof of business existence, proof of identity, and proof of address. Your EIN, plus certificate of formation or articles of incorporation, can be used as proof of business to verify your account. Yes, you need to have a U.S. address and not a P.O. Box address. Yes, you also need a U.S. phone number since your account is in the U.S. A PayPal account can be accessed by the account holder and used from any country where PayPal services are offered. However, if you are trying to make a payment or change account information from publicly accessible computers, such as those found in internet cafes, libraries, or hotels, our system might block your attempts. As a result, we might limit some features of your account until we can contact you and confirm that you are controlling your account. A major question people ask is PayPal safe? Here's what I have to say: yes, PayPal is ranked among the safest financial services companies in the world. Senders of money have no access to your bank account or personal information. PayPal's purchase protection covers you if you have any problems. Another question that comes up is, can I really access my PayPal account from anywhere in the world? The answer is yes. You can access PayPal from over 200 countries and services from a country that is included on PayPal's permitted countries list. Also, from the conversation above, you can see that a PayPal account can be accessed by the account holder and used from any country where PayPal services are offered. However, if you are trying to make a payment or change account information from publicly accessible computers, such as those found in internet cafes, libraries, or hotels, PayPal's system might block your attempts. As a result, PayPal might limit some features of your account until they can contact you and confirm that you are controlling your account. What are the benefits of having a PayPal account? For both types of accounts, personal or business, creating them is extremely simple. All that's necessary is to go to paypal.com and click Sign Up. Forms have a place for all of this information, and once you fill it in, you're ready to go. Some of the key benefits of having a PayPal account include security, speed of transactions. Now, some of the drawbacks of having a PayPal account. The biggest is for people who aren't from the United States. A personal PayPal account is out of the question because PayPal mandates a social security number. Even with services like Bizee, which can get you an LLC, a company phone number, a company address, which again cannot be a P.O. box, and an EIN number for your business PayPal account, by not being a U.S. citizen, you are automatically excluded from many of the perks of a business account because they are only available in America. Bizee can also help you with this. Simply form an LLC as non-U.S. residents using Bizee. Check our guideline about LLC for non-U.S. residents. In conclusion, PayPal is a great and safe way to do business transactions online, but only for people who have U.S. Social Security numbers for a personal account and people who have either an SSN or ITIN number for a business account. In summary, to open a personal PayPal account, a Social Security number will be required. To open a business PayPal account, you will also need either a Social Security number or an individual taxpayer identification number. The good news is, Bizee can help you get an individual taxpayer identification number if you are looking to open a U.S. PayPal account from anywhere in the world. That's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions on starting your dream business from anywhere in the world and setting up a U.S. PayPal account. Thanks for watching, and tune in for more videos just like this.